tonight with you all as our guest, as we honor the full moon and feature the Crown Chakra, which is our tapping into our awareness and our intuition and our higher consciousness. And I believe, because it's been effective for me, that it may help you.
That you describe it as tingles, but I definitely feel energy shifting in my body, where my body is doing like involuntary movements as if it's pulling away. And oddly enough, the first time I came, I was having some pain and it was doing pulling in that area. So I'm like, oh, let's see. So here I am again, and the same things. I find that where your body is holding the stress is where you feel that energy shifting. And it's a really beautiful experience, and I just think it's calming, and it helps to move forward going into the work days and the days ahead.
So the irony is I was rushing and stressing to get here. I was so nervous about getting late, but the moment I stepped into the space, I could tell there was just a different energy flow, and it was just so peaceful. So once the practice started getting going, I felt a release, and to be able to just fully come into my breath and kind of have this out-of-body experience was really precious. So it's a beautiful way to start off the year and the week for sure.